Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex Day trade setups for today. And as usual, starting off with Euro USD. We are, for all intents and purposes, still stuck in the sideways range. What is concerning at the moment is we've got quite a bit of divergence here on the 8-hour between the previous swing low of price and the current swing low of price, and we are sort of just stuck in the middle of the range right now. So if we just pop down to the hour, like I said to you yesterday, probably looking for a continuation of the move. Didn't really happen. It was kind of down, up here, no real direction, and as a result I'm really not interested in this at this stage. There is another level that's more than likely going to come into play, and that is this swing low here, which we tested, which is 112.742. Breach that, and then we're looking at 112.353. Don't see much going on there at the moment, so probably going to stay like this until we get the jobs number out of the way on Friday. US dollar Japanese yen had a nice move up at the beginning of the week, and then we sort of just consolidating here with a hanging man, and then looking like a confirmation bar that's starting to form. Oscillators all grouped to the upside, which is indicating you should not be looking for longs here. If we start looking at the 1 hour, you can see similar kind of picture. We need to wait for structure, and the closest structure on the hour is roughly in this zone at 115.815. So once we have that, then you're probably looking, if that gives way, then you're looking down here at 115.379. So I'd be watching to see what transpires here. 115.815. If we start getting any price action here, pin bars, engulfing bars, inside bars on this level, it would be a fairly decent opportunity to get long. You probably enter somewhere around there. So it's a 240 point risk, because your stop is going to be below this level here. And the potential is that you have a flag break play out. So there is the current flag at the moment. Bit of a weak flag, only 4 touches. You're looking for 5 touches on it at least. But anything more than 3 is a triangle consolidation. So pay attention to that one. Moving on to pound and British pound, Japanese yen. Had a fairly decent break through structure, and oscillators all indicating that we need to be very careful of going long at those levels. So we are waiting for pullbacks, and looking very similar to US dollar Japanese yen. Only difference is the level is all the way down here at 156.062. So probably a decent one to play London breakout strategy on. Wait for your first, I always say 7 or 8 hours, 1 hour bars. It depends how you want to play it. Both of them work. What I would suggest is just take the time, go through your charts, and see which one works better for you, the first 7 or the first 8 hours. And then what you're looking for is draw a line on the top, draw a line on the bottom of those first 8 hour bars. And as soon as you see a break on a 15-minute or even a 5-minute, sort of a 5-minute, 15-minute close above or below the range, then trade in the direction of the trend. So if it breaks to the downside, I typically don't do that, because then I would expect a retest of a breakout down here before it bounces back up. But when we're in the upward trend like this, we start breaking above the current high here, then I'm looking for a breakout, and my first target, sorry, not that one, I'll just leave it there for now, and you can see it's the height of the range. So there I've got modified my Fibonacci to indicate where the range is. So that would be at 157.792, and to the downside I would basically probably take profit at the range, but I'd more be interested in buying in at 156.062, because that's trading with the trend. Okay, so that's just kind of quick London breakout strategy. Euro British pound. Looks like we have broken through the structure finally. We have got some 8-hour closes below 83.854. So that is fairly significant, because that is a massive monthly resistance and support. So you can see there it is there. We've still got a few other tails here which could interfere with the thought process just yet at the moment. So there's one more here, and that's basically what we're looking for. So a retest of that, and then we're looking to be short off structure, and the structure we're looking for is going to be somewhere off here. So it'll be 083677, or alternatively we're looking at this tail, so we're looking to be short of 083726, and oscillators are indicating that we need to be paying attention to that. This is also another one for London breakout strategy. First 8 bars, if we start breaking below that, this big level down here is going to be a massive target, so that's 083124. So I suspect that's going to be a fairly strong magnet for us as well. Anyway, that's it for me on Forex today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.